everyone, I'm Zen from Jenhair Vietnam. I think last video to supply you how's the difference between the China hair quality and Vietnam hair quality. Hope you will see my video, right? Okay, so today we will talk about the hair business between China hair business and Vietnam hair business to support you to have a great business in the future, okay? So firstly is the hair quality. Hope you saw already my last video. We supplied to you a lot of information between Vietnam hair and China hair about the quality of hair. So we will conclude something in that video. The Vietnam hair almost a natural texture like that. Even though we make the curl, we make by only hot water and heat only, so the hair still be nice, natural texture, natural smell, cuticle keep inside. But the China hair use so much the chemical and they remove the cuticle of the hair, so the strand a little weak. But not all the China hair like that. Some China hair still natural China hair. That's okay. You can curl the hair, you can color the hair, you can bleach hair. But about bleaching, I want to say something very deeply about the coloring. We have a big factory to coloring. So the Vietnam hair still the best material for coloring. I want to repeat again, that's the best material for coloring, because the Vietnam hair you can bleach to any color, even though color 60, the color 613, that's still very nice. After coloring, the texture still healthy, still strong, never have any problem with the texture. China hair still okay for coloring, but if you bleach to the high color like color 60, the texture will be destroyed and a little quad, a little weak. Secondly, I want to tell you about the resources. Vietnam hair almost collects the hair inside Vietnam. We collect from two main plates. The first plate is a towel. The towel goes just only like my hair, just a medium length, like 40, 60 and 80 inch. But if Vietnam collect from mountain also, the mountain girl has a long hair. The long hair like 24, 26, 28 inch, even though up to 40 inch. China hair has so many resources. They collect inside, not collect inside the China only. They collect from another country more. So sometimes the China hair not only China, they from another country more. That's why they use a chemical to acquire all strength. The thirdly is a factory. On the 2017, I have ever go to a big factory in the China. If you come to China factory, you can see a lot of machine, a lot of chemical, and a lot of tool of hair in the factory. They use so much the technique on the hair. But the Vietnam hair from 2010, we start use a lot of technique on the hair, bleaching power, machine weft, wig making, and some tool on the hair. Almost in the Vietnam we use a handmade for hair, so we don't use chemical, so you can see any chemical in the factory. That's the difference between China factory and Vietnam factory. And finally, I want to talk about the price. If you are on the hair business, the price is very important. Everyone know about China with the cheap thing and cheaper thing in the world. If any place in the world has a cheap price, so China has a cheaper. In the hair, always like that. China has some single draw so cheap. But you see, the single draw from China, this is the ending. That's the short hair inside. Maybe that style just only like that. But when China makes super double, Vietnam is a bad place for super double draw. Why? Because the Vietnam makes super double very suitable price. No one, nowhere in the world can make that super double like that and same price. Because if you want to have a super double draw good like that, you must have you all processing by the hand to make. So if the high quality, I think Vietnam has a good price. But the just a single draw quality, I think China price is okay. So all the information I talk in this video to help you have a great hair business in the future. If you have any confused, please don't hesitate to contact us in this video. We will answer you in this video for you. Okay, thank you for watching.